Good afternoon, everybody. So here we are with the trailer again. I've done a number of different things with the trailer from last time, which I should have been videoing, but I didn't. Basically what I did, I'm going to turn the camera around right now, is as you can see, I replaced the panel that used to be there. I had put it together as a hodgepodge with the existing panel, then I added two small pieces in. I thought it looked ugly. Thought it would look a lot better having one full panel at the top, a panel at the bottom. So I removed the mud guard, removed all the molding at the bottom, removed the old panel, taped up new panel on there, so it's not only screwed, but on every one of the metal studs I've also got double-sided tape. That's what you can actually see, the red stuff floating around there at the bottom is from the double-sided tape. And then I cleaned up the access doorway for the generator. I'm still waiting for the door to arrive. It's been ordered and should get here within the next couple of days. But once that goes in, it'll cover up this whole area, make it look finished. And that's it. Today what we're going to be doing is putting in insulation inside the trailer. And you see the panel of wood over here. I've already removed that and put insulation behind. I'm now going to go ahead and start insulating the rest. The insulation that I'm using is 3/4 of an inch thick. It's actually an R5 insulation, and it's also pretty good for water, so I shouldn't have any issues. I'm gluing it into place. I'm going to be running a small bead of glue, panel glue, down each side and then gluing it in. These panels, just so you know, can work either with the white side out or the silver side out. As you can see, one side is silver and the other side is white. So what I'm going to end up doing is putting the silver side out, because they say you'll have a little bit better radiance insulation effect if the silver side is facing into the airspace that you're trying to keep cool. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now we're going to get started. So one of the things I found on the trailer is that I have a couple of roof leaks. I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of special patches here now, see if that works. I'm going to show you what it is that I'm getting. So I'm going to start off with this here. It's called Rubber Flex waterproof tape. I'm going to go ahead and layer that over the areas that I'm finding there's leaks, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the Rubber Flex leak repair over afterwards. I'm going to spray that over, and let's see how that works. Okay, one of the issues I found inside the trailer, when I open up this back wall right over here, as you can see this whole back wall is open, When I opened that up, I found a wasp's nest sitting inside. Luckily it was a dead nest, there were no wasps, so it wasn't an issue. But I see where they came out from, and as you can see right here on the floor, there's a hole right through to the underneath. So I've gone ahead and placed the board underneath, and I'm going to go ahead and spray some great stuff window and door. I don't want it to expand too much. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it in there, and then I'm going to carry on cutting the insulation and putting it in. Never ever put your knee down on a screw, because it hurts a lot. I'm really excited because the UPS man is here bringing me my door for the trailer. Say hello to the UPS man, everybody. Sir, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You can leave it right here up against the trailer. I really appreciate it. Thank you.